AIA Pennsylvania is proud to debut the inaugural Architectural Excellence COTE Awards. And now, a word from our COTE Awards sponsor, Atlantic Engineering Services.
Structural engineering involves more than just sizing beams and columns. It's about listening and communicating efficiently, prioritizing your goals, devising customized solutions, and ultimately delivering an excellent product. We are passionate about design, and we serve our clients by crafting structures in which people live, learn, work, play, heal, worship, and more. At AES, our engineers enjoy what they do. They really do, and so they do it well, bringing architectural visions to life. This year, AES is proud to bring you the 2020 AIA Pennsylvania Architectural Excellence Committee on the Environment Awards. Congratulations to all the nominees whose work continues to raise the bar for design standards within our built environment.
In step with the AIA Pennsylvania Strategic Plan and AIA National's dedication to fighting climate change and equalities in the built environment, a joint task force of the Committee on the Environment and Committee on Design established the COTE Awards program with two core objectives. 1. Forge an optional and free path for members to submit their award-worthy projects to the program that would also introduce the AIA Framework for Design Excellence Measures, formerly the COTE Top 10, with a simplified assessment tool to encourage participation. 2. Emphasize to members, industry partners, civic leaders, clients, and the public at large that the highest standards of design excellence surpass aesthetic appeal to encompass community connection, equity, economic value, resilience, and stewardship of the natural environment. To support the rollout of the program, AIA Pennsylvania hosted a webinar headlined by Vivian Lofness, FAIA, internationally renowned researcher, author, and educator with over 30 years of focus on environmental design and sustainability. Further support was provided with virtual open office hours hosted by the trio of COTE leaders credited with the development of the AIA Framework for Design Excellence Assessment, the main COTE Awards submission criteria. Join us in recognizing Brian Smiley, Jonathan Weiss, and Sherman Aronson for their dedication to development and rollout of the assessment tool used for both local AIA Philadelphia Awards program and state program. The inaugural COTE Awards jury was made up of a panel of AIA Seattle COTE members independent of the Design Awards jury. Brad Benke, Shannon Bunsen, and Zachary Stevens gathered virtually to review 34 submissions to the inaugural Architectural Excellence COTE Awards. They reviewed the projects through the lens of the following AIA Framework for Design Excellence measures, indicating how buildings perform for the health and wellness of the occupants, communities, and the environments they serve. Design for integration. What's the big idea? How does the project demonstrate the intersection of design excellence and sustainable performance? Design for equitable communities. How does this project make the most of its surrounding community, integrate with it, and give back? Design for ecology. How does this project respond, connect, and contribute to the surrounding ecosystem? Design for water. How does the project use water wisely and handle rainfall responsibly? Design for economy. How does the design show that higher performance can be cost-effective? Design for energy. How much energy does the project use? Is any of that energy generated on-site from renewable sources? And what's the net carbon impact? Design for wellness. How does the design promote the comfort and health of those who spend time in it? Design for resources. How were the decisions about the materials used based on an understanding of their impact, especially carbon impact? Design for change. How does the project design anticipate adapting to new uses, adapt to climate change, and support resilient recovery from disasters? Design for discovery. What lessons for better design have been learned? Jurors may select one entry among the COTE submissions that demonstrates excellence across all measures of the AIA Framework for Design Excellence. Murray Associates Architects receives the COTE Award of Excellence for their high-performance urban office addition and historical retrofit. The Pennsylvania Housing Finance Agency needed to expand their urban headquarters, but were landlocked by deteriorating historic buildings and a small parking lot. The dilapidated historic Hickok House, adjacent to PHFA, was purchased. Its rear non-historical addition was raised, and its exterior was restored. The interiors were retrofitted for a training center and conference rooms. The new 8-story glass precast concrete and brick tower blends old and new within the neighborhood's context. Its footprint overlays a small parking lot and the former 1970s non-historical Hickok House addition. For more usable space, the top 4 floors cantilever over the historical building. To meet USGBC and PHIUS criteria, an electrochromic curtain wall system, VRF mechanical systems, 77 solar panels, and a living roof were integrated. Since its completion in January, the building uses 49% less energy than similar code-compliant office buildings. The jury commends the project for its achievements in the resources, equitable communities, energy, and change measures. The jury shared, quote, "one of the most challenging and constricted sites, but was still able to achieve some of the highest levels of sustainability with a thoughtful and well-integrated solution." The project provides a beautiful and timely example of how to reuse and rehabilitate existing buildings to maintain cultural and neighborhood character, while increasing density through urban infill and preserving invaluable as-built resources. Congratulations, Murray Associates Architects! One more round of applause for our generous sponsors. Fenner & Essler, Microsoft Resources, Autodesk Platinum Partner, Milber Macris, Offit Kerman, Bell Insurance, Atlantic Engineering Services, Langen, Members First Federal Credit Union, Turner Construction, Sheets, Acoustic Distinctions, The Harmon Group, Oldcastle APG, UTech Engineering, Lamb Partners.